Joe Beermaster. We have a 2017 Ford Explorer here. This goes for 2011 and up. I'm going to show you how to remove the spare wheel. It is hidden. It's not underneath. So we're going to open the rear hatch. We've already opened it. If you see where the back seats are, there's a well here with a tire cover. Now, this spare tire cover needs to come out. Now, there's two ways of doing this. You can either just sneak it out, and it will come up if you really twist it, or it says here remove for spare. It's this rear panel here. It's got two little wing nuts. You turn them. One over this side too. I'm going to do that. Two little wing nuts. Like I said, this is not necessary. See if I get a good view of that. Right there. And just wiggle it off. That came off. Pretty simple. We're getting upside down here now. And move that, and we're basically, that makes it easy to lift the spare tire cover out. Like I said, that's not necessary, but you know, it's there for a reason. Now to get the wheel out, we're going to spin this center thing. And that's the tie down for the spare. Put that off to the side and lift the wheel out. Let's get that out. And then underneath we have the jack assembly. So it's a little kit here. It's got a little handle pump for the jack, and then the jack itself, which is in the extended position right now, it looks like. And to get that out, we're going to twist this and get that out. But I don't have a need to get it out now. I just wanted to show you where it is and how to get the wheel out. That was very easy, but it was a little confusing where it actually was. So that's how you do it. And now we're going to put the spare on. And that's it, Joe Beermaster. I hope you liked the video. And please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Take care.